Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's proceed with the 100% stacked column chart. So here in my desktop, there's a blank page here for creating a stacked column chart. Again, I'm still using the same table with the same fields. So 100% stacked column chart is just below the visualization pin and to the extreme right. So let's click on this icon. Then again we'll drag date and drop under axis, and then we just want the values for the year, rather the year values. Then again let's drag country and drop under legend, and then drag gross margin and drop under values. So already we have a 100% stacked column chart. But now this one has been analyzed in terms of percentages and not just figures, but percentages. So let's bring in the data labels. So I'll click on this formatting button and then put the data labels on, and then again we can give it some cosmetic changes. So let me just go down and give the title center alignment, and then I'll make the color to be extreme black, and I'll also do a border again with the radius of 18 px, and then again rather 20 px, and then we can also make clearer the axis. So here I'll use again the extreme black color on the x-axis, and the same will apply on the y-axis. Okay. Then again let me drop my legend down to the bottom. So I'll choose the option of bottom center. So here we can see already we have our 100% stacked column chart, and it's being analyzed in terms of percentages. So if you check on, let's take an example of 2016, year 2016. So we can see Australia was having 39.3%, and then Canada 4.55%, France 5.62%, and then Germany 7.41%, UK with 9.09%, and the United States with 34.03%. So if you add the percentages, you need to get 100% total. So this is what we call a stacked, or rather 100% stacked column chart. But now check if I remove the legend, or rather if I do away with the legend, with the values of the legend, you see now the 100% stacked column chart changes to just a simple column chart. But now all the bars are equal in height, but now we are considering each and every year the gross margin, whatever values is being analyzed in terms of percentages. So each and every year will be 100%. So let me just bring back the country field and drop under legend. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understood, and this was just meant for stacked column chart. So let's meet again on bar, or rather on on bar charts. But before then, when we meet on the next video, we'll wrap up on stacked, clustered, and 100% column chart before we move to bar charts. So let's stop that for this video.